Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Good morning. Welcome to another weekend product review. I recently got this in the mail. It's from JF.EGWO Versatile Jump Starter. Thank you card. Instructions. Get out of here. We don't need instructions. Forget about it. Wow, cool. Jump starter with a built-in air compressor. Half the box is that. The other half is this bag. Let's see what's in the bag. Ooh. Like a purse. Decent. Inside the purse is a wired brush. Ooh. Jumper cables. Good quality. Heavy duty. Power charger cord. Wow. The air compressor hose. Cigarette lighter charger for your vehicle. And that's it. And the bag. I'm gonna attach all these things together. On the back here, you have a fixed hose, and you would attach it onto the extension hose so that you can go and pump up your tires. This thread does not go all the way in. Over on this side, you have a couple of LED lights. Here we have the power indicator with the charging port input, 2 USB charging, and the power button. When you press the power button, it goes on right there. Here's a switch too. Pump up your tires. You can adjust the PSI, high or low, to whatever PSI you need your tires to be inflated at. And as you can see, it came shipped, charged at 100%. Very cool. I'm going to turn the power off. Oh, you press it again and the lights go on. And flashes for emergency hazards. If you're on the road somewhere and you're broken down, you can put this in the back and it flashes so that people don't run into you and get into an accident. Flashes even faster here. Another tap, it's off. Press it for 3 seconds and the whole thing should go off, or I believe it goes off by itself after a period of time. So over here on this side, we have a port here that you can connect your jumper cables. And now you can go and charge up your battery or jump start it. That's some strong stuff. Lithium-ion batteries are no joke. Here we have my lawn tractor over here. I haven't used it in over a year. Still pretty good. Let's see how much PSI we have in this tire right now, and just charge it up a little bit just to test it. There we go. You just turn it on. It just shut off by itself. Turn it back on again. Now it's 20 PSI already. So that's already pretty good. As you can see, it's moving up. 22. Just wanted to put a little bit in there. Yep, nice and tight. Awesome. So this is very, very useful to put in your car and to charge your cell phone batteries and to jump start your car in case you left your lights on. Very useful, especially with winter coming. So what a fantastic product from JF.EGWO. Everything you need. This bristle brush is to clean the terminals from any corrosion. It also has some nozzles if you want to inflate your blow-up toys or your football or basketball and stuff like that. Charge it from at home, charge it on the go. If your car battery runs out and you can't start your car, you have this in your trunk and you can start up your car. Safety lights, as well as an air compressor to pump up your tires. And if you're low on your cell phone battery, you can charge up all your electronics with these with this handy USB outputs. Fantastic. Love it. Really, really good. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested. Thanks a lot for sending it to me, and thanks a lot for joining me on this product review. We'll see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire right out! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.